Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for an EIN number for an LLC. Gather your LLC formation documents, personal taxpayer ID, and a valid mailing address before starting the online EIN application. Go to the IRS EIN Assistant online, follow prompts, and choose LLC and your tax classification. Provide responsible party details, verify information carefully, and submit the application. Save or print the confirmation notice for your records. Start with the online application for fastest processing, which often issues an EIN immediately upon completion. If you prefer mail or fax, prepare Form SS4 and expect longer wait times. For foreign applicants without a Social Security number, complete the identification fields and call the IRS to receive an EIN by phone or fax. Always double-check names, LLC state, and tax classification before submission to avoid delays. Keep a digital backup copy. Your responsible party must be an individual who controls the LLC's funds and assets, and their SSN or ITIN is required. If ownership changes or you need to update the responsible party, file updates using Form 8822B or contact the IRS as instructed. Common mistakes include incorrect EIN use, mismatched legal names, and wrong tax classification, which can cause delays or tax problems. Keep all EIN documentation accessible for banks.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.